U-Advocate Teffo uyachaza ukuthi ukuboshwa kwakhe into engekho futhi uyachaza ukuthi yindaba eboshiwe wasekubeka nje kusobala ukuthi amaphoyisa anogcobo ekushoneni kukaSenzomeyiwa. Angalokho ngichaza awuzizwele wena ezichazela bukhoma ukuthi kwenzakalani.
I'm currently detained at Hillbrow Police Station, whereby the fraudulent warrant of arrest has been used. It seems as if this warrant of arrest was obtained on the 27th of January this year. I don't know why all along they were waiting until I'm at court. And furthermore, there was another warrant last year. It was cancelled. The same case number. The warrant was cancelled on the 28th of December 2021. So this is nothing but just more screen about my presence in this case of Senzomeyiwa, whereby the National Commissioner, the Minister, and every honcho in the police and in the NPA is concerned about my presence in this matter, because they know it's going to bite them. Thank you.